Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Polkadot from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and this method keeps your assets safe while making the transfer super easy. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, stick around. We'll cover everything step by step. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and the Polkadot app installed on it. You'll also need the Trust Wallet app downloaded on your phone or device, with your Polkadot wallet address ready. Always double-check that your devices are secure and you've backed up your seeds. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Polkadot app on the device. You'll see it light up on the screen. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Polkadot wallet. Tap on the Receive button to generate and display your wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back on your computer, use the Ledger Live app or a compatible interface to access your Polkadot account. Select the amount of Polkadot you want to send, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 4. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. This adds an extra layer of security. After that, sit tight. The blockchain will process the transfer, which usually takes a few minutes. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see your Polkadot has arrived. A quick tip. Always verify the recipient address on your Ledger screen to avoid scams, and keep an eye on network fees, as they can vary. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a test transaction first. There you have it. You're all set to move your Polkadot securely. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.